Hello friends. Welcome to my Civil Engineering Prep Cyclopedia channel. Today we'll practice some most important building materials questions which are useful for your competitive exams. Question 1. Which property measures a material's resistance to environmental factor wear over time? A. Density. B. Thermal expansion. C. Durability. D. Moisture absorption. The correct answer is durability. Question 2. What property describes the mass per unit volume of material? A. Density. B. Thermal conductivity. C. Strength. D. Fire resistance. The correct answer is density. Question 3. Which of the following properties is crucial for determining the ability of a material to withstand applied loads without failure? A. Density. B. Thermal conductivity. C. Strength. D. Durability. The correct answer is strength. Question 4. Which of the following properties is important for designing energy-efficient buildings? A. Moisture absorption. B. Density. C. Thermal conductivity. D. Fire resistance. The correct answer is thermal conductivity. Question 5. Sound absorption and transmission characteristics of building materials are related to which property? A. Acoustic properties. B. Density. C. Thermal expansion. D. Chemical resistance. The correct answer is acoustic properties. Thank you for watching. For some more questions, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.